In this video, I'll show you how to make a short film using Veo 3. We're going to go step by step through the entire process, from creating your idea, to writing detailed prompts, to generating cinematic clips, to refining them with references, and finally, turning everything into a complete short film using AI. And we'll be using OpenArt for the entire workflow. So make sure to use the link in the description to try OpenArt at a great price, and follow along with everything I'm doing. Now, before we start, let me quickly explain what Veo 3 is, and why it's such a powerful tool. Veo 3 is an advanced AI video generation model that allows you to create highly realistic, cinematic quality videos just from text prompts. It understands things like camera angles, lighting, depth, motion, and even audio, which means you can literally describe a scene in words, and the AI will turn it into a fully animated video clip. This is especially powerful for short films, because instead of filming with a camera, hiring actors, or editing footage manually, you can generate everything using AI, with a much faster workflow, while still getting high-quality results. So now let's get started with the actual process. First of all, go to OpenArt's main page using the link in the description. Once you're on the main page, go straight to the video section, and from there click on Text to Video. As soon as you open this, you'll see a full interface with multiple options, settings, and controls. At first it might look a bit overwhelming, but once you understand what each part does, it becomes very easy to use and extremely powerful. Inside the Text to Video section, you'll notice there are different ways to generate videos. You can choose between using a starting frame, an ending frame, or text with reference. For this tutorial, we're going to use text with reference because it gives you the most flexibility. It allows you to start with just a prompt, and then later enhance your scenes with characters, images, or environments if needed. This is especially useful when you're building a short film scene by scene. Now, the next step is selecting the model. If you click on the Model section, you'll see multiple models available, including different versions of Kling, Van, and others. But the one we're going to focus on is Veo 3.1, because it's one of the most advanced models available right now, and it also supports audio generation, which is a huge advantage when you're creating film-like scenes. So go ahead and select Veo 3.1. Now you'll see the option to add visual references. This is optional, and you can either use it or skip it depending on your workflow. For the first scene, we'll skip it and generate everything using text only, so you can understand how powerful prompt-based generation is. Later on, we'll come back and use references to make things even more advanced. Now, let's talk about prompts, because this is the most important part of creating a short film using AI. Your prompt is basically your script, your direction, and your camera instructions all combined into one. If you're not sure how to write prompts, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. For example, you can type something like, "Write me a cinematic prompt for Veo 3.1 for a short film scene," and it will generate a very detailed prompt for you. If you want something more specific, like a cookie being baked in an oven, you can just describe that idea, and the AI will create a full scene around it, with proper lighting, motion, and camera details. For this video, I already have some detailed prompts prepared. One example is a dramatic character reveal scene. This prompt describes a medium close-up shot of a seasoned detective sitting in a dimly lit office. It includes volumetric lighting coming through window blinds, dust particles floating in the air, cinematic camera settings, like a 35mm lens, and 24 frames per second. And even detailed audio instructions, like distant city sirens, and the rhythmic ticking of a desk clock. These kinds of details are what make your scene feel cinematic and realistic. So I'll copy this prompt, go back to OpenArt, and paste it into the Describe Action and Detail section. Then I'll scroll down and turn on the audio toggle, because I want the sound effects to be included. Below that, you'll see different generation modes like light, fast, and quality. Light mode uses fewer credits, fast mode gives quicker results, and quality mode gives the best output. For now, I'll use light mode, but you can experiment with quality mode for better visuals. Next, in the output section, I'll adjust the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. For short film scenes, I recommend keeping clips between 5 to 8 seconds, so I'll set it to around 6 seconds. Once everything is set, I'll click on Generate and let the AI process the video. This might take a little time depending on the complexity, so just wait for it to finish. Alright, the video is now ready. Let's open it and see the result. As you can see, this looks extremely realistic. The lighting, the movement, and the camera angle all match the prompt perfectly, and the audio adds an extra layer of realism. You can hear the ticking clock and distant sirens, which makes the scene feel alive. If you want to improve anything, you can click on Modify and adjust the prompt to refine the output even further. Now let's move on to a more advanced example by using visual references. I'll go to the Visual References section, click on Characters and World, and here you can see different pre-made characters. For example, I'll select the cunning crow. Once I click on it, it gets added as a reference, and now I can use it inside my prompt. To reference it, I'll type @cunning crow wherever I want the character to appear. I already have a detailed prompt prepared for this, which includes the style, scene description, character actions, lighting setup, camera movement, and audio. I'll paste that prompt here, replace any placeholder text, and make sure the character is properly referenced throughout the scene. If you want a very specific kind of atmosphere in your video, you can also use external images as references. For example, if I want an animated or cinematic atmosphere, I can go to Google and search for something like high-quality animated atmosphere images. From there, I can browse through different options, and you can easily find free images from sites like FreePic. Let's say I find an image that fits the mood I'm going for. I'll click on it, quickly check the license to make sure it's free to use, and once that's confirmed, I'll download it. Now I have a custom atmosphere image ready that I can use inside my project. Next, I'll go back to OpenArt, click on Add Visual Reference, then go into the Images section and upload the image I just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, I can reference it directly inside my prompt. So wherever I want the environment or background to match that image, I'll simply type @image1 in my prompt. Now everything is set up. I've got my prompt, my reference image, and my settings ready. So I can just click on Generate and let the AI create the video. After it finishes, I'll open the result. And as you can see, the video looks amazing. The result looks amazing. The scene now matches the atmosphere of the image we uploaded. The lighting feels consistent, and the overall quality looks very professional. The audio is also good, although there might be small imperfections sometimes, which is completely normal. If you notice any issues, like slight audio glitches or minor visual inconsistencies, you can fix them by clicking on Modify Video and adjusting your prompt slightly. You can also regenerate the clip until you get the perfect result. Keep in mind that if you want deeper modifications, you might need to use a different model for editing, or regenerate the scene with a more refined prompt. So, this is the complete workflow for creating a short film using Veo 3. You create detailed prompts for each scene, generate clips one by one, enhance them using characters and image references, refine them using the Modify feature, and then combine all your clips together to form a full short film. The more detailed and consistent your prompts are, the more cinematic and professional your final film will look. Make sure to use the link in the description to try OpenArt at a great price and start creating your own AI-generated short films using Veo 3.